Hello kids! For our week number 3, we will have to talk about speeches that changed the world, specifically of Martin Luther King. I will upload you 2 videos so you can see them. One with one of my favorites, that is Kid President, and he will explain to you many facts about this speech so you can have a correct idea of what it is about. We will check the Awesome Reader, but I want you basically to base all your knowledge on the videos that I'm going to send you, because instead of taking the time of reading it, it will be better to see it. Okay, we will check the keywords in order to answer activity number 1, and in activity 2 you will have to write a time where you felt that the situation was unfair for you, or that you were treated unfairly. Okay, in the next one, in activity number 3, I will show you 5 facts about Martin Luther King so you guys can have more information about him. In the next activity, you guys will have to write true, false, or probably not true, depending on the statements that you have here. This will be done on your own experience, or your own information, and on your own opinion. Okay? We will read them together, but you guys will have your own opinion about it. In the bottom part, we will complete the quotes, again, to have the information correct. And right here, you will answer this one with the video of Kid President. What was the title, what was the topic, the purpose, and ideas of the video. Okay? And we will also answer these questions, just giving our opinions in class. And then we will go to this part of quick language that talks about Greek vases. Depending on the text, we will answer the bottom part, and then we will need to talk about prepositions. You will have a tutorial of prepositions. Here we will base on prepositions of position, time, and way. Position can be under, on, in. Time, for example, here starts at 9. At will be our preposition, or on Wednesday, depending if we are talking about different days or months. And the way that something is done, for example, by, plain, or without speaking, we will focus on these ones. You will also have a tutorial like I told you, and we will answer the activities depending on what they want us to do. The first one is to select which one, this one or this one. Okay, you will have 2 options to select the correct preposition. In the next one, we will talk about describing places. Urban places, that is basically talking about cities. Suburban places, that is like Bugambilias, or like those private neighborhoods where you guys live, that is mostly houses, not big buildings, or not a lot of shops. And finally, rural places, that here in Mexico we call them ranches, or places where you don't have a lot of houses, a lot of buildings, and you have a more calm life with lots of fields, crops, animals, farms. Okay? And we will talk about the words. For example, home and les. There are suffixes and affixes. You will also have a tutorial about this. A prefix is a word that you insert before the word. For example, if we have urban and we say suburban, sub is a prefix because it goes before the word. If we have home, it's a complete word. But if we put another word in at the end, that is a suffix. For example, les. If we say home less, that changes the meaning of the word. And we will check all of those in order to select the correct words. In the next part, we will be talking about affixes and suffixes, what we did on the top, prefixes, and we will check the meaning of the words that we selected on the top. Also, we have to underline the prefixes and write them right here. Circle the suffixes. It's an activity that we will do in class, okay? In the next one, it says read the following article, and what type of text is this? This is a how to do something, okay, because it gives you steps. It shows you how to construct something. In this case, a model air rocket. And we will read it Together, we will answer the questions about the article, and that's it. That is what we are going to do for our week number 3 first part. Okay? Thank you, you guys. Bye.